de yam passing a gun ni akola o tie kura ho enya ho mfaso budget na ye be pass na yetumi de atua free education for sika no NDC for say ye money collapse ye ma ye ntua sa aka no man kola no nko school na mbom abamba bendie we are willing to give him 1.2 million dollars to go for checkup. We are no a press conference no paper na no. We care about Ghana. We are protecting the public purse. Yes, sir. You are protecting the public purse. And this is the way you protect the public purse. What Nanadu says, he does. Mr. Mahama, Ebio, NDC4. Yawa hono mbeba be kachire say the way our northern region wo hono, okay? So munya project bi a ebeboa ye nuanom a omwo north. First yet jida. Jida na omudi iska no. Yesan kote sada. Savannah wan poverty alleviation wan omodema omo. And also no omudi iska no ofofo yesan ko diska no koma nua north ni. Na ni nua north ni so sebi otumi nya bibi edebo ano ho no. Ono ankase nua north ni David exhibit no ene abuga pele no. Enu omudi isika no. En confirm wa ye call yen ya and confirm na mbada. Youth in Guinea Fowl rearing, it never became a reality. Mutie. The NDC government was the people who promised this thing. Enyame na mekai. Omo ye se womo be magana bebunu sika no, ana be ma na adwuma no. They chop the money nyafo left right center. Enu nti and they can't deny this cause enyame na metia na maker. Me pacho Abuga Pele wan go jail. Why did he go to jail? David Exhibit, why did he go to jail? Say if what I'm saying is true, tell the American who did say true. Why were those people in jail for? Why did they go to jail? Those people were in jail because of what? Those people were in jail because they have squandered or spoiled Ghana's money. Sikanes and Kedikoma Bebunu. They did that. Mr. Mahama promised to give, and his NDC, they promised to give the youth work to do. But per the records, Mr. Mahama, 8.6 unemployment you left. When the unemployed association people came to you, graduate for a buy, you said you are not a magician to give them jobs or put money in their pocket. I always say, NDC Becca saw you the best. MPP Becca saw you the best. What me and you can decipher say, when me no one papa no is their record. The omo ye. Are you understanding me? These two parties no the omo ye and they show say okay, where they are no pointed to a positive direction, where they are no pointed to negative direction. Other than that, if you leave it to me, I would always come and praise MPP. If you leave it to Sami Jemfi, you would always come and praise NDC. But Enjuma Mienu are two parties now, you know. Dear Hena Abua Ghana for. That is where you know you're different. That is where you know which one to choose. That is when you know which one to choose. You understand? Because to Wakojiska say what they call youth entrepreneurship. Say a mebunu benya a jumaye. Na omedi oman kan hwe emabunu ni bia ba ho se maye adwuma wo se onye magician na wa mo adwuma mentiase. Is the Ghana youth a thinking youth or is just a bulubulu follow youth? Because to president bi ba ya wo de wo adwuma sem ko kire no esan se na wa ko sign contract with IMF. Now you di freeze ato public sector suntino or chima ni be witrim say wo kra wo degree na sebe wo ko sua ye no e ya low degree ote or say wo degree no e ya low mahama na ne kan ye or say when our universities chance out graduates who don't have the experience to work, how can we employ them? He said that. He said that say we school no kura okọ e no kura no wan go sua bibi e betumi asesa bibi a. Na bebuno. The same problem is sent to another president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The same Graduate Unemployed Association problem. Ye de call Mahama ho a wenya solution ama yen no. Ye de call Akufo-Addo ho no. Otena ase osemoma me one day. And of friend the cabinet. Enkolei omatene fiache. Anes fui omatene fiache. A teacher fui omatene fiache. What do we do? Then the thinking minds of MPP came together and said, why don't we create Nation Builders Corps? Sabia Bruchire crowd yes, oba, I programs be ultimately taken from high school, our friend apprenticeship. Enti uwomu usunya ade ni na no na wunya experience. Ade na ye me de about NAPCO no ho say. Yenya graduate for nyese wentwa wo opase kama pa. Na nko no akra wa idea bi say anko betumi aye bibi owie school a. But essence na economy na tete apansam na enye papenti. When to me anya sa nyama we ni na. Ma me papa, arehu sema wo mu ne say, sa babunu na wo waton ukoko ne ade de ahwe ni school no. Owie school na adwen sa obeti ukoko ka, obedidi age se wo a, wan wo fufu a wondidi. Wobekọ classes ana wobekọ baabi a ma me wan sane wa boss wa, oba na wawie university no ntumi mpie o. Ontumi mpie. Aban bi wo ho. Udie, aban bi wo ho. That aban was not able to say Ghana yefi. Ghana airtime. Ghana you got test ni na choku. Enti media graduate for already mimbuom dada. But let me just give them something to do. Ghana graduates every month biya mube general cleaning. Wow, we are graduate biya no. Mube pepa ye got test ni ye street suni na mube cleaning ni na. Ye bama 100 Ghana. Keke. A president could have signed that. I mean, like, that is an initiative to get jobs. Because I would rather clean than to go and papa a boy, say, papa a boy, 1 man to be one trip a cotton. Ain't Mr. Mahama, the thinking Mr. Mahama and his cabinet could have just said, say, okay, graduate for Yabema Mako Prapra Agbubulushi every Friday, last Friday of the month. Now, you had the more to pay Rosso. Now, Ghana Sikano, Yamu be day Eddie. Economy na 2016 year papa no cause no moka economy na a year correct no yamma boys see 100 Ghana. The youth, you couldn't get this from Mahama. No, you couldn't get this from Mahama. You see the sad thing, wo call no hono or se wo degree ne kura na yankwase degree now or do ko jina adwuma mu a untumi nya adwuma. That's what Mr. Mahama said. And the video is there. The way a video evidence. If our university keep churning out graduates who don't have the experience to work, how can we employ them? That is what he said. Na obiaba, wo graduate ya, wo hwe manim. Jina we na no pakwasia, uyu hwinim, akwa akobọ life meboa. Oh, sorry, I no pay you. I can't foolish boy. I can't kama. Hey, you him because I know be town. I go for box iron. Eddie be dear gum. Oh, baby, to what I dear cause.